Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get free points on Shein. So let me just open up Shein right here, and you can see right here I have 2,890 points, which is respectable. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton of points. I'm talking like hundreds of thousands of points. So it's super easy, guys, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let me just turn on the unlimited points right here, and they should start to go up. So let's see if they rise. And then there you go, guys. As you can see, my Shein points are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Shein mod onto your phone for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our browser, and you want to go to zoomods.com and type in Shein. And you're going to find the Shein mod. So go ahead and press on it. And now it is going to start downloading. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification you have to do. So this is the final step to install the Shein mod. We need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. It's completely for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to give it a second, and we should be on the go. So as you can see, it says missing files, additional files are required, how to install, carefully read instructions of each additional file to unpack them. So we have to download some of these apps. There's tons of them, so just do 2 of them. You can see Misplaced is downstall, play 4 games for 5 minutes. TikTok, downstall, use 3 days. So whatever app you choose, guys, just go ahead and press on it, and you're going to be all set. So yeah, I'll see you later, but that's how to get the mod for your device. It's pretty cool, so you can actually get free Shein points. So yeah, I have like literally tons of points right now. So yeah, this is also including add all coupons feature and anti-ban, get rid of ads. So it's pretty wild. So if you guys do need to get free Shein points, be sure to try this out for yourself because it fully works. So as long as you guys do the verification correctly, you will be good to go. There is a video here you can watch, but basically all you're doing is just downloading 2 of the apps and following the instructions. So for instance, Misplaced says downstall, play 4 games for 5 minutes. TikTok says downstall, use 3 days. Text now, install, and make a 30-second call. So it's pretty simple. Whatever app you choose should be pretty easy, but that's how to get free Shein points in 2025. So yeah, there's lots of settings in this mod as well, but obviously, guys, the big thing for me is you can get unlimited Shein points, which is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. And yeah, literally, I mean, this is a one-time verification, guys, so just do it once and you're done. So there's the site, zoomods.com. That's where you can download this. It's super insane. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome and totally works. So yeah, peace out, bro.